Alright, so I don't think I really updated you guys much on the car throughout the channel, but I did post a lot on Instagram. If you guys want to follow me there on Nagasaki Noisy Boy, same thing as the channel. So first off, I really just did some suspension work on there, blocks, full body coilovers. I didn't want to spend about almost $1,000 on a weight bar, so I went ahead and got me what it's just an eBay traction control bar, and then I welded about, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plates on there, filled it up with concrete, and then what originally held it, I drilled the holes across the hole just to really keep it sturdy, and then I did some stitch weldings on there just for a little more reinforcement. So I did have trouble the last setup. I had a temperature going up all the time, so I went ahead and got me an AK1 radiator that's supposed to be tucked, made it fit, dual springs in there for aero valves, and it's gonna have just a skunk 2 stage 2 turbo cams in there. Now we got the block back. I guess we'll get to it. Alright, so pretty much got a bunch of stuff bolted on, put the clutch in there, some stuff in the back, but I don't want to put too many stuff, so we're at it. Here, Felipe came to help. I decided to do it this way because I don't have another engine stand, so I'll be doing everything inside the engine. So I'll just be putting the head and torquing it there, just because I don't really have room. It's pretty crowded. This thing needs to leave, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Alright, so we're just into a small problem here that's stuck, so we're gonna have to jam it out there. Head gasket. So we'll put the head gasket on there, just put the head, and I think we'll just be done for today. So that's as far as we're probably gonna take it today. Alright, so this is where we're gonna leave off for today. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Let's see how much power we can make out of this thing.